Welcome back, guys. Well, how's all the beautiful people? Here we have a fuel tank and carburetor from a Briggs Flathead on a 22-inch weed eater mower. Sure, I thought I would push record and we would open this dude up and kind of see what it looks like. This mower will start on spray, but it will not stay running. So, I believe it's a good engine, and it'll make somebody a good mower. It just needs some love. So let's give it some love. Well, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it or not, but down in there, the way these carburetors work is they use engine pulse vacuum basically, and there's a little bitty bowl right in here that pumps that fuel into. This is your pickup. It sucks fuel off the bottom of the tank, pumps it up, filters it into this bowl. Well, maybe one of them damn holes. Anyway, it pumps fuel into this bowl, and this carburetor picks it up out of this bowl. And what fuel it doesn't use, it overflows back into the tank. So that's just how these work. Simple design, really, and they work. They do work. So, that right there is going to be the main jet. And I'm not going to go to prying around on it, but there's a spring behind that. That's a little pump diaphragm is what that is. What I want to do, I don't want to get carried away with a bunch of carb spray with this gasket. I don't have another one, and if we run it, then it is what it is. Ruined. But built into this tank, you know, once upon a time they made these out of metal and they were bad about rusty. Now this one here may still be made out of metal, but this is aluminum here on top. Anyways, there is a series of ports and such on here. I'm not really seeing anything that says, hey, I was the problem all along, but you know, the screens look clean. This little screen looks clean. What I'll do though is I'll take it out there and I'll blow some carb spray into that jet and try to keep as much of it off that gasket as I can, and then hit it with a little air, and I think we will be fine. Down inside there, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Down inside there's a little jet. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I'd like to peel that gasket back and clean in behind it, but like I said, I don't want to ruin it because I do not have another one. And you can see it's ingested its share of dirt down in there. is what it is. So I'll go clean on this just a little bit, and then when I come back, we will slap this back together and we will see if it runs. So I'll be back. Alrighty, Peppa. Well, it wasn't super receptive to the carb spray, but it is still intact, and I was able to spray through that, and I got the inside cleaned out pretty good. So before we do any damage, let's just put it back together. I do have a new purge bulb for it if we need it, but the other day when I messed with it, that one seemed to be, well, I heard you screaming. I'm glad I did. Forgot to put that on. Turn this thing down. Don't want to get carried away. After all, that is plastic, you know. I'll just finish it off by hand. Alright, well that is that. What do you say? There is some chunks in there, but don't look bad. What do you say we go put this thing on and see if it'll start? Let's go. Alright, you wonderful people. Well, I got it back on. You know, got the breather on. I'll hit that old bulb there a few times. Yeah, sorry about that. I did check oil in it. It's full. So, let's see what happens. Hope we don't get dizzy. I don't have my tripod. about that, huh? I don't know if that'll give us a date or not, but I reckon somewhere in those numbers there's a date. So that's gonna do it for this one. I think a good oil change and sharpen the blade on it, and this thing will be ready to mow. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Like and sub. Catch you beautiful people on the next one.